So I would make it a regular thing of getting up at 4:35, probably 4 or 5 days a week to meet my friend Preston in the gym. This winter, with all the travel I've been doing, I haven't been really good about that. So today, I'm trying to get back on track. I used to love getting up early and getting to the gym. I never really loved getting up early. Heard you coming. What's up? You made it. Yo, it's been for a freaking ever. Definitely couldn't do this without my partner.
We going tomorrow?
Yep.
Later.
All right. Love that guy. So here's the deal. Yesterday, I showed you, Chloe, a real quick clip of my new truck. Today, I'm gonna show you the whole thing. Listen, I don't know what I'm doing with these vlogs. Too long, too short. I don't know. It's wintertime, not a whole lot to talk about. It'll get better when we start building ponds again.